In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to swap the OEM steering wheel on this BMW M4 Competition convertible for a GTS Alcantara one. So first thing first, I raise the roof and the trunk is half open so I can get easy access to the battery. And the first thing we should do is to disconnect the battery. There's some more light here. And removing the battery, just need the socket, then remove the negative terminal from the battery. And what I'll do is put this inside a glove so it won't touch anywhere of the car. Now the battery is disconnected. So from this angle, what you can see is a little metal bar in here, and run a flathead screwdriver in and push this little bar inwards, and then release the spring that holds the airbag. There's another one on the other side, and then the airbag just comes out like that, quite easily actually. And then behind it there's a little connector, only 2 wires. I guess you only need positive and negative to detonate. Screwdriver. And then just the airbag comes out like that. And when the airbag is out, just want to have a look. This one is again Takata. Yeah, whatever. And then we have a few more connectors here. Very easily, just do that, so it comes out. And here's another one. Alright, both of them are out, and the rest of the mechanism is nothing else connected to the car anymore. So next thing to do is to remove this bolt over here. So 60mm. There you go. And just remove that with my hand, put that away, put it straight off. So here's the old wheel. Just want to see, here's a new one. How is this going to fit? Very easily. And now it's just a matter of getting all the buttons and wires transferred to the new wheel, which we shall do next. Now I'm holding both wheels in my hand. It's the GTS wheel is quite a bit thicker and really grippy. It looks great. I'm not saying the old wheel looks bad, it's just Alcantara is probably a better material for steering wheels, if you like. There's a small motor here for the lane departure warning in here.
More motor. Alright, so that's all done. Alright, the final stage, just put this in place. There are two little notches. One is on the actual steering column, the other one is on the base of the steering wheel. So there's no chance you're going to mess up and put the steering wheel off center. And according to the specification I can find on the internet, I need to torque this to 57 pound-foot. Last one, the airbag. Actually, to go to menu, settings, type and date, and just do a automatic time and date set. It's all done. It's all working. Should just go out and have a try. Ah, feels so comfortable. You don't even know what you got.